Welcome to Toronto, where you'll find the streets of Ontario, foods, paintings, different places, and many more. Let's go, and thank you very much for visiting my YouTube channel. Hi, Toronto here. We're gonna cook the famous Filipino TIKOY. We're gonna need glutinous rice flour, sugar, and water. Let's put the flour on the mixer together with the sugar. I use 1.5 cups of sugar. And then let's mix them together. Let's add the water and let's continue mixing it. Then we'll add a bit of salt and vanilla extract. I also use butter. I melted butter in a microwave. I coat the tray with butter, then pour the flour on it. Now let's put it on the steamer for 1 hour. Let's cover with cloth to avoid moist on top of the flour. After 1 hour, we can remove the cover of the steamer and let it chill for an hour. Once it is cooled down, we can wrap it in plastic. You can keep it inside the refrigerator for 4 hours or 6 hours. Then we'll check it again later on. We can unwrap it after 6 hours like this. I rub a bit of margarine on the knife so that the tikoy won't stick on it. Let's cut the tikoy into appropriate sizes that you want. I cut it this size. Now let's prepare the eggs. I'm using 2 eggs on this tikoy and beat it thoroughly. Once the oil is really hot, we can fry it until it turns to golden color. Once the tikoy starts floating from the oil, it is a sign that our tikoy is ready. Now our delicious Filipino tikoy is ready. Hi, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell button so that you will receive an automatic notification. Thank you very much and always take care.